boy. Let's ride. What's going on, motorcycle family? It's time for another video. So, special video today. I got a new subscriber, and he had a question about my GoPro setup, what kind of camera I'm using, all that good stuff. So first off, I'll put a mini video somewhere either at the beginning or the end of how it looks, how it's set up on here. Okay, but it is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Okay, the blacks is where it's at, period. Okay, so it don't matter if you get the 7 or the 8. I have not done any research on the 9 yet, so I can't tell you how awesome it is, what you gotta have, all that good stuff. I'm not sure, but I will tell you the 7 is what I use, and I've had absolutely no issues out of it. As far as the camera goes, it's phenomenal. I mean, I use it pretty much for everything. Now, I do combine my phone videos sometimes with my GoPro, and it works really good. Now, the mic that I'm using is the purple Panda, and I absolutely love this mic. It was the first mic that I bought. I did a lot of research through other YouTubers and moto vloggers, and they said that the purple Panda is awesome. So we went ahead and rolled wood out the gate, and I can tell you that I like it a lot. Now, if you're going to be doing a lot of moto vlogging, I'd say go with the GoPro system. Okay, it's really, really awesome. You know, you don't have to just stop and change it over to do still shots. I mean, it shoots so many frames per second. It's amazing. Do your research, but it's awesome. I'd recommend it. Now, as far as the video editing software, there is a ton out there that you can download on your laptop. You can buy. Some are free, some are premium. I have not bought any, okay? I actually do a lot of them because I'm on the go a lot. I don't really have a lot of time to really sit down on my laptop and just make these huge, long, crazy edited videos and stuff. Here lately, I've been doing a little bit more video editing just because of the app that I actually have on my phone. Now, I go through the GoPro system, and I will, if it's a long, it really depends on how long the video is. If it's a super long video, instead of stopping the video when I'm out on the road and then recording again, I'll leave it playing now, usually. And what I'll do is I'll cut different parts out of the video through the GoPro before I even download it to my phone. Through the app, I'll just go ahead and cut it right then and there. And then I found a free video. It literally says, I have an Android, okay, but I'm pretty sure you probably can get the same one on the iPhone, but it's literally called the Video Maker. Okay, it's free. It had a bunch of star ratings. It was like 4.5 star ratings. So I was like, well, let's try it. And it's awesome. You know, you can add your own music. It has temporary music you can come up with. You can add all kinds of different stuff. So I'm impressed with it, and that's the one I've been using for the past videos, and we're going to continue to use it until I find something better. But as of right now, I have no complaints with the video editor. Now, I typically upload videos that are anywhere from 6 minutes to 12 minutes. If anything more than that, I will usually do like a part 1 and a part 2 video uploads. Because, like I said, I kind of get, when I'm watching videos on YouTube, I get bored after a while. So if it's not entertaining, or if it's something like a repair video or something, I get bored. So I try to keep, come on, car. I try to keep my videos within like that 6 to 8, 9 minute range. Because I have better stuff to do than to sit there and watch videos all day. Now, I have been known to watch videos a lot. If it's, like I said, if it's something new that I'm trying to get into, or a repair video, or something that I'm about to buy, you know, I want to know, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? So that's kind of the content that I've been trying to put out here lately, especially if a subscriber or a viewer hits me up in the comments like, hey, blah, 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 or what do you do with this, or whatever. So I try to give as much honest feedback that I can. If I don't know, I won't tell you. I'll see if I can find out. But most of the stuff, when I put it out there, I try to have my feedback, my personal use of it, because I can't tell you how many times that maybe I didn't buy a product because some guy was like, yeah, this product sucks, and then one of my friends lands up getting, he's like, oh my god, this is like the best thing ever. So like I said, honest feedback is amazing, and that's what I try to put out. But yeah, so like I said, there's a ton of different video softwares out there that you can choose from, you can download. I mean, it really is. Do your research, but hey, you know, we're taking this channel 1 mile at a time, you know, and we're living it, and we're doing it, and it's working, and I love it. Like I said, this channel started out being just something simple as doing reviews on truck tires and maybe a Pacific Tire, exhausts, different stuff like that, or repair videos, stuff like that. You know, lately it's been a lot more motorcycle content, which I am totally loving, by the way. It's absolutely awesome. So, you know, and the channel really is taking off. It really is. And it's cool. I love it. And I hope it blows up and it gets so insanely big, we're rolling in the dough. Nah, but that'd be cool though. I tell everybody, like, look, people get famous all over the world, especially on YouTube, doing insane stuff, like crazy stuff, you know? But I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it because I enjoy motovlogging. It's something, it's like no other on two wheels, period. But whenever you combine motovlogging with riding, it's awesome. And especially whenever you get the chance to kind of interact between your viewers and your and stuff, it's awesome. And you meet so many people out on this road. Like every day I'm meeting somebody new. Somebody's like, man, I love the paint job on the bike, blah blah blah, and one conversation leads to another. It's awesome, y'all. If y'all considering doing motovlogging, if you have a motorcycle, do it. It's awesome, you know, and you'll figure out along the way what works best for you. You will. That comes with time. And really, I tell people that, look, you know, don't do it because your brother's doing it or your friend's doing it. Do it because you want to do it. Motovlog based on the stuff that you're into, okay? You know, because at the end of the day, you only live this life one time, okay? You better enjoy it while you're still breathing, okay? You better enjoy it while you're still breathing, because one of these days you're gonna wake up and you're gonna be like, man, I can't ride anymore. Maybe because I got too many injuries, or I'm getting too old, or whatever. There's tons of reasons why people stop riding. But don't let anything get in the way of you living your dream. If you're interested in doing something, just go for it. Do it. It doesn't matter what everybody else thinks. Just do it. Yeah. But riding two wheels to me is just, it's therapy number one. But I'm really into it. I really am. Some people like to ride solo, but I will tell you, riding with other people is awesome. It is awesome. It is awesome. It makes, especially if you're doing long trips, it makes the trip so much sweeter. We headed to this little, we still got some time before I go into work. Yeah, we're headed to this little Myrtle Beach Speedway. I heard they started tearing it down. I'm just going to kind of cruise up here and check it out. But yeah, like I said, this video wasn't to be like super long. I just wanted to let you know, pretty much the setup that I got going on. Yeah, they already got it blocked off. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. A lot of races, a lot of stuff happened out there. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know, you live this life one time. Get out there and do it. If you're interested in getting two wheels, get two wheels. If you don't want a motovlog, that's cool too. Just enjoy your life. And if you see something that kind of sparks your interest along the way, try it out. Worst case scenario, you get in there like, yeah, I don't like it. And I tell people too, it's like, hey, in order to live this life to your fullest, you got to spend some money. You got to drop some cash. So I tell people, especially if you're on a fixed budget, don't go all in at first. Figure out what you kind of like, and then get a decent bike. You don't have to buy the most expensive bike, but get a decent bike, something that's reliable, something that's really, like I said, it's going to get you from point A to point B. But buy a bike that is, number one, is in your price range. I did a video like a couple months ago of what kind of bike you should buy. So definitely go back in there into the recent videos and check that out. Buy a bike that fits you. And like I said, make sure it's reliable. Make sure it fits you, because it's really, your riding experience is going to be so much sweeter when you get the right setup for your lifestyle, your body type, all that good stuff. And then, like I said, just do it. Just have fun. But as I tell people that, look, if you're even thinking about getting a bike, just do it. If you've never drove a bike, okay, there are plenty of people that have bikes that probably would let you drive it, but I'm going to tell you this. Harley Davidson, I don't get sponsored by anything in my videos, okay? This is like sole experience, sole personal experience, okay? Harley Davidson, their course that they offer, okay, is phenomenal, especially for people that have never even been on a bike. Maybe they've rode it, but they've never driven one. They don't know how to work a clutch. They don't know anything. They will teach you the basic everything. Whenever you get out of that course, you're going to pretty much be able to drive anything with two wheels, my personal opinion. It is I think it's like $250 or $500, one or two, I can't remember off the top of my head, but you pay some money and they will give you so much of it back to go down on a used or a new bike. And but the program is really cool. But just get out there, learn what you're doing, how everything works, and get your butt on two wheels, because any day on two wheels is better than four wheels. It doesn't matter though how cold it is, hot it is, I eat it up. Now, most people, I will tell you, most people don't ride in the wintertime because of snow. Where I live at, we don't get snow that often. Every once in a while, we'll get some ice and stuff. Of course, I'm not riding with ice. But as long as I got my gear and I can stay warm, I'm going to ride. Because, like I said, it's awesome. But that's pretty much a wrap, y'all. That's pretty much all I have for today. But if you have any questions about what I'm using, about my gear, where to get it at, any questions about the bike or anything I've done on previous videos, comment below. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. I appreciate all my subscribers so far. Y'all have really done this channel up. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. You can also follow me on social media, on Instagram. It's _1 mile at a time. But yeah, whatever, do your thing. Subscribe. I appreciate it, y'all. And until the next video, peace. Alright, so this is the setup. It's the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It doesn't matter if you get the 7 or the 8 or the 9. I haven't done too much research on the 9 yet, but I know the 7 and 8s are very similar. So, but make sure you get the black edition, okay? There is the mic adapter that you have to use if you're going to run a mic. It does pick up sound without this thing right here, but you're going to get a decent amount of wind noise. If you want a moto vlog, I would definitely recommend getting the mic adapter. Okay. Anyway, and then that runs all the way in the helmet, and that connects to the Purple Panda mic, which I have mounted like right up there. If you see the little extension, the lighting's terrible, but anyway, it's up top right there where that clip's at on the inside. That is the curve mounting kit that I ordered through Amazon. Now, I did have a couple of extensions that I used to make it a little bit longer. It just pretty much eliminates these knobs and stuff. So I only have 2 knobs, actually 3. One there, and then one there. But it's definitely a lot better than having knob extensions everywhere. Kind of cleans up the look. The kit that I used, I did not use the original mount. I did it first, but then it fell off if you view some other videos. But make sure that you get a GoPro mount, because the GoPro mounts are awesome. They're real sticky, that's for sure. But anyway, that's the setup there.